In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove payment method on Google Play website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type Google Play and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course from here you would like to go and open the first link. Once you are here at this home or at this main page, you would like to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll be good to start. So at the top right corner, just click to your profile icon, and then you would like to select payments and subscriptions. Of course, you will actually be here at this page. Let's just wait for it until it loads. So of course, from here, if you have already a payment method like me here, all you need to do, if you want to remove it, just go and hit the edit payments method. That will redirect you into this Google Payment Center, and of course you will have this payments method, and if you have a payments method, you will have this remove option. So if you click on it, as you can see, they're asking you remove payments method. Removing it means you won't be able to use this payments method for other Google products and service without adding it again. So of course, if you agree, just go and hit the remove option. Of course, you can even add a new one if you want later. So now you will officially, or for me at least, I have no payments method, but of course if you want to delete other ones, you'll do the same for them. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.